Have you ever experienced anxiety? Are you unsure if you have or not? Margaret Nealon describes anxiety as a feeling of anticipation. It is manifested in our fight or flight mechanism. The body's fight or flight mechanism determines how we react to stressful situations. Stress and anxiety often go hand in hand. Today, I want to share some ways to identify and manage anxiety and hopefully help ease future situations that could be less than comfortable for you to have to deal with. The first step is to identify the problem. You must become aware that anxiety exists. The moment you feel uneasy or uncomfortable, ask yourself if you can help yourself. You should then determine the level of anxiety that you are experiencing. Some lower levels of anxiety you may experience are being woken up, making small decisions such as what you are going to wear that day, or forgetting something you meant to pick up at the store earlier. More increased levels of anxiety may be experienced by being rushed, being late, having to meet new people, or giving a presentation for a class. The second step of identifying and managing anxiety is to intervene. You should identify body sensations. Some examples of these sensations are heaviness in your chest, butterflies in your stomach, or tension in your head. In more severe situations, your mind could be racing and you could find yourself scatterbrained. Note that there are symptoms experienced after a spell of anxiety, such as sweating, headache, and intestinal issues. However, the goal is to prevent things from getting to this intense of a level. The greater number of sensations you experience and the intensity level of them usually indicates the amount of anxiety that you are experiencing. Once you are aware that anxiety exists and have determined what level you may be experiencing, you can better begin to manage it. I'm going to share with you 2 ways to begin to manage your anxiety and lower their intensity levels. For lower levels of anxiety, you should first try breathing exercise. With your mouth closed, slowly inhale and exhale through your nose in a steady, consistent pattern with no breaks. Do this for 3 to 6 breaths and focus on only that. More extreme cases may be better combated by a different technique. In these more intense situations, inhale and hold your breath for a count of 3. Exhale slowly, let your shoulders loosen and fall, and tell yourself to relax as you do this. Now you may be better able to recognize and manage your anxiety. You can apply these tips in your everyday life. Remember to identify the problem, intervene the situation, and begin to manage your anxiety. I hope you all can benefit from this, and I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to listen.